it's Jan Beta, and you probably remember this black Commodore 64 that I repaired in the previous video. If you haven't seen the previous video, this video won't make any sense, so please watch the previous video if you're interested. In the previous video I repaired the black Commodore 64, which had, the only fault that it had was it had the wrong version of the VIC-II chip. The black one, the black Commodore 64, has an older long board revision in it, which provides 12 volts and 5 volts to the VIC-II. The newer versions of the boards, the short boards that are usually in Commodore 64Cs, later models of these, and the Aldi Commodore 64 and the Commodore 64G, they provide 5 volts on both voltage inputs for these. There are two versions of the VIC-II. The one with the 85 numbering is the more recent model, which takes 5 volts only. This was built into the black one, so it would probably have gone kaboom if I would have turned it on. I realized that this was the wrong version before I flicked the switch, so it was all safe, but I don't know if this works at all, so that's what I'm gonna try. I don't know of any other way to fully test these without putting them into a suitable board. So I'm going to put it into this Commodore 64, which has a new board revision in it, so this should work if it does work. So let's see. So what are you thinking? Do you think this thing still works? I don't know. A bit. This is a plectrum here. This is the one with the, just has these clamps here. So I can just open it like so, which is pretty handy. So there we go. Just disconnect this. The VIC-II is, at least on all Commodore 64s I saw, is always socketed. I don't know if there's 64s out there that don't have this chip socketed. I don't believe so. I've seen quite some Commodore 64s and I didn't see one where this chip isn't socketed. So okay, let's replace this one, which is working. There we go. With the other one that we are going to test. And of course they have the same pin count, otherwise it wouldn't be possible to confuse these. So yeah, let's try it. Pretty confident this thing is totally cooked. If it was turned on for some time, it's probably pretty much gone. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see. And what do you know? That's amazing. Okay, this thing seems to still do. Let's test this with something a little bit more demanding, I guess. I'm loading up Comaland, which is a demo. If I can find the link again, I'm gonna link it in below. So this should be quite an ultimate test for the SID and the VIC-II. The VIC-II is obviously the thing we want to test here. So this is pretty demanding on the hardware, I guess. And it looks amazing. It's just amazing. If you haven't done so, you should definitely check out the demo scene. There's so many amazeballs demos out there for the old machine that have unbelievable effects. Yeah, just look at it. It's so amazing what can be done on this 64K computer. So with this, I'll leave you again. It was just a quick test of the VIC-II, which seems to work absolutely fine, which is amazing. I wouldn't have believed that. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned for more videos coming very soon. I'm Ambita. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.